Hi, I'm Sam Thurgood and welcome to my 2-minute Parsha. In this week's Sidra of Toldot, the big question is, what is going on with the bracha, with the blessing that Yitzchak wants to give to his son? He intends to give this blessing to Esav. Instead, Yaakov deceives him to take that blessing, and Yitzchak seems to agree that in fact it should go to Yaakov, even though he originally intended it to go to Esav. What is going on? Everyone wants to ask the question and gives their own answers. Rabbi Yehuda Leib Altar, the Sfat Emet, says that what was really going on is that the blessing of Yitzchak was a blessing that even those who are far from Hashem, who are far from holiness, should still merit to find the light of holiness and godliness, which will enable them to become close to Hashem. That is the essence and the content of the blessing. And therefore he says, Yitzchak intended that blessing to go to Esav, knowing who Esav was, and knowing that Esav was a person who was far from holiness. Still, even Esav, he wanted him to take that blessing and to find Hashem. And so it wasn't really a blessing that was appropriate to Yaakov at all. So why did Yaakov then desire this blessing? The answer, he says, is not for Yaakov himself, but for his descendants. Yaakov indeed did not need the blessing. He was close enough to Hashem that he was, so to speak, exposed already to the godly light. But he knew that his descendants, generations later, you and me, would be those who are at times far from Hashem and who need to be exposed to the light of holiness and godliness to find our way back. It is the merit of that blessing that enables us to come close to Hashem even when we seem very far. Shabbat Shalom.